Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of things in the classroom and some common classroom actions. First, look at the picture. What do you see? This is a classroom. There are students, a teacher, and many objects. Let's learn their names. Classroom objects. This is a chalkboard. This is a piece of chalk. This is an eraser. This is the teacher. This is a student. This is a chair. This is a desk. This is a book. This is paper. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a notebook. This is a computer. Repeat after me: book, paper, pen, pencil, notebook, computer. Classroom actions. Now, let's learn some common actions in the classroom. A. Write. The student writes on the paper. B. Point. She points to the board. C. Go out. He goes out of the classroom. D. Come in. She comes into the classroom. E. Read. The students read their books. F. Listen. The students listen to the teacher. G. Work at the computer. He works at the computer. H. Look at the screen. Look at the computer screen. I. Close the window. He closes the window. J. Open a notebook. Open your notebook, please. K. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you have a question. L. Talk. The students talk together. M. Sit. The students sit in their chairs. N. Stand. Please stand up. Practice. Now let's practice. I will say the action, and you act it out. Ready? Please raise your hand. Please open your notebook. Please stand up. Please sit down. Great job. Wrap up. Today we learned the names of classroom objects and actions. In the next lesson, we will continue learning how to use these words in sentences.